Hello friends and hello student. My name is Ashok Sikala. In this session, we learn the given number Armstrong or not in Java. So let us start. First, I share my laptop screen and fix the position here so you can watch better my video lecture. And here I use a simple notepad to type our Java program. So that is where you can learn more. Yes, you can also use the notepad plus plus, but that is giving the some color combination, so you can easily typing and detect to your error. But here we can find to ourselves that our error. So that is you can learn more. Yes, that I said that is you can more learn in Java programming. Yes, that is our goal. So yes, here our definition yes given. So first I write in comment. So write a program to check yes given number is Armstrong yes strong or not. So yes, that is our definition and goal of this session. So yes, here one question: what is a Armstrong number? So Armstrong number means which we can separate that number digit and then cube of that digit and then addition of that cube of every digit, so that we can get original number, so that known as a Armstrong number. So yes, I give one example so you can understand. So 153, yes, that is an Armstrong number. So why? So yes, every digit we can separate like one and cube. So 1 multiply 1, yes, and then in between addition. And then again second digit, so 5 multiply 5 multiply 5. And again that addition and last digit, so 3 multiply 3 multiply 3. So that is a cube of every digit. So 1 multiply 1 multiply 1, so that is a 1. Then 5 multiply 25, then 25 multiply uh, 5, so 125. And then 3 multiply then 9 multiply 3, so that is a 27. So that all we can sum, so we can get 153. Yes, so that is a sum of that cube of every separate digit and then cube and then addition, so we can get original number. So that is Armstrong with the number, and otherwise that number is not Armstrong. So now I can give the multi-comment line. So that is your reference. Now we can start. Yes, that is a class, and we can give the arm strong. Yes, Armstrong. So yes, you have to get the that Armstrong. So that is a class name you can give. And now yes, you have to know public static void main, so that we can pass one argument string args and that 1D array. And now what to do? So yes, first we can assign that is one number, and that is our goal 1 2 3. And then separate the digit and then sum assign to 0. And yes, that is a summation. So yes, three variable we have to use integer. So now what to do? So yes, that is a number programming. So like for then while and do while, so that we can use as a while loop in the number programming. So yes, n is greater than 0, that is our while loop. And condition check, so our n is greater than 0, so we can separate the digit n modulo 10. So that separated the digit, and then sum equal to plus equal to, so that is a short technique. And we can multiply d, so d multiply d multiply d, so that is a cube of that one digit. So every time loop is continue, and that separate the digit and then cube and store in the sum. So we can already take that process and now get the new number. So and divide equal to 10. So yes, that is a short technique. I think you have to know n equal to n divided by 10. That is a full form of I write in comment line. So any statement, one variable use two times in same statement, you can use the compound assignment operator. So that is a short technique. And now yes, that is a finish. So now we can get the compare to our number. but our number is n is 0. So what how we can how compare? So yes, we require one extra, and that is a we can say that temp variable. So what to do? So we can store our original number before the while loop. So that is a store, because n is last time that loop is repeat, so that is a 0, and not so then we can come out the while loop, otherwise not come out. So yes, now we can take if condition. So if temp equals sum, so both are same. So we can say that our number is a Armstrong. So yes, print, and that is message. We can say that the number is Armstrong number, or just Armstrong. And as part, yes, I copy this line and paste. So given or the number is not Armstrong. So let us check. First, we can save. So Alt F and S. So that is a save. And here we can give, yes, that is a rules of Java. So class name and file name both are same. So Armstrong dot Java. So that is our class name Armstrong, and file name both are same, and extension must be Java, otherwise text notepad. So txt file is saved by default, that extension. So we can provide here Java extension. So yes, that's save. Now we can compile and run. So yes, we can use as command prompt. So yes, here that yes, you can look here that command prompt. I click, so that is a open, and now full screen, and first cd slash, so come out all directories, and F colon, so we can change the drive, and CD. So folder name is Java Pro Programming, and then we can set the JDK path. So I create the batch file Java path, and you can look here set path and set class path. So that two command, and that our JDK path is ready. So now what to do? So we can compile. Yes, that is a armstrong.java. That is our source file name, and Java C is a JDK compiler, that is a Java compiler. So yes, look, yes, that takes some time. Yes, that no any error. So Java only, that is also JDK tool, and that application launch. So our class file is create and not any extension when you can run your Java program. So that is a class file, bytecode file is run. So you can look, the number is Armstrong number. So let us check, we can change the number. So here I give like 123. So that is a not perfect number, not Armstrong number. So yes, I alter F and control S. So save, and let us check. So again, I up arrow keys, all command is appear, and then compile again. So that is a compile. Now we can run. So you can look, the number is not Armstrong number. So yes, that very easy. So here we can use as a static one number. So after we can learn IO packet that we can use from user take from value, so keyboard. So till now we can use as a static number in our Java programming. So yes, that is a finish. Yes, you have to know system, then out. System is a package, out, that output string, and that print is a method. So that print our message, and very simple logic. So here we can use four integer variable, that is a number, that separate digit is stored in D, and sum that store or cube of that separate digit, and then taking new number, and temp is a used to original number store, because after our n is a 0. So both are same. So that is a Armstrong with the, otherwise that's not Armstrong number, and that is we can some paperwork. So yes, I hope you can understand and enjoy. So that is the Armstrong number or not in Java. So I hope you can understand. So any question regarding this definition, you can write in comment section. I give the definitely to answer you. And subscribe my channel Ashok Sijal Academy. Press the bell icon to never miss any update. And thanks for your watching, supporting, and sharing my video lecture. And Hare Krishna.